Alright guys, so here we go, we switched the bikes. Dallas is on 125X and I am on 650. Let's see how it goes. This thing just rolls. I guess the brakes are not as good as on the light two-stroke. Yeah, I have to count on that. This thing is super plush. I guess second gear is max I can do here. Even that might be too much. Definitely very high gearing. This is second gear and it feels like it's too high. But I don't want to ride flowy trail on the first gear. Just doesn't feel right. It's not as bad as I thought. I mean, it pulls hard, but it's not very hard to manage. At least at this kind of flowy trail. It's definitely way more bike than 125, but it doesn't feel too crazy. It doesn't feel like I want to give it back. Feels pretty good actually. I don't know guys, all the bikes feel good. As long as you can ride somewhere on the open trail, get some fresh air, get some adrenaline, everything beats couch. And trying many different bikes, you know, I think life is about experience. So I'm happy to have a chance to experience many different bikes, two-stroke, four-stroke, different cc, different sizes. Yeah, it rolls nice. You get little speed and this thing stays nicely planted. This kind of trails or out in the desert, something a little bit faster, feels smooth. It has a big, nice seat. Would need some seat cover for motor seat because it's a little bit slippery. Oh, that thing was low. And it's just a little bit hard to start. You need to know how to start it. To find dump dead center and then pull the decompression and this and that. Takes some time to figure it out. Okay, this is a little bit more technical. Let's see. Not too bad, huh? Alright, my friend, so let's kill it. It feels very interesting for something a little bit faster, not too technical. I think I can have fun on a bike like this. Not too bad. Good experience. Definitely the brakes.
Huh?
Definitely brakes need some attention.
Oh yeah.
It's not as good as some other bikes, and if it has electric start, which some XR have electric starts, right?
Yeah, they make a kit for it.
You can get a kit. So this might become, and then you can make it street legal. So do dual sport / enduro bike, riding desert and different things. This might be fun. Alright guys, so this is it, my very first, can you stand? My very first time on XR650. I still have like 10 gallons of fuel left. I can go for another 1 week. this thing is a beast. Cool. Alright my friend, that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments if you ride one of these bikes. Let me know your feedback, why you love them, why you hate them, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.